Hbar holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Let's waste no more time and take a look at what's happening with Hbar as we are going into Thursday morning. Looking across the board right now, we're seeing 50-50 once again. Bitcoin did see a little bit of a minor retracement once again over the last 2 to 3 hours to be specific, which has impacted some of the altcoins as we can see across the board, but there's still some gainers across the market right now. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with Hbar, because of course we're going to be talking about Hbar as you can tell by the title of the video, bringing you guys daily analysis updates on Hbar, down about 1.4% in USD, with the price currently sitting at 21.2 cents, also down about 1.8% in Bitcoin comparative valuation, sitting exactly at $9 billion right now, and the 24-hour trading volume at 257.1 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's take a look at what's happening with the dominance. It's being all over the place. We did see a dominance, wick down a little bit. You can see this for yourself. We came down to 58.95%, and you can see it has picked up once again, pretty much making its way back up to where it was prior to this retracement for the dominance that we did see a little while back. Why is that the case? Because Bitcoin did end up seeing once again a rejection. We did go up to $124,000. If you did watch my updates yesterday, I talked to you guys about if we are able to clear $122,000, I'm projecting $124,000 to be retested. And believe it or not, that's the exact level we went up to, but we got rejected, and we're kind of finding ourselves back down to this key range. So we're seeing some volatility this week for Bitcoin right now, and it's coming more from the futures side of things. And because of course, think about it, if Bitcoin started picking up, maybe long started piling up, and then that's where the market makers have stepped in to just shake out the leverage position. So this is why, again, it's a continuous reminder why we want to stay away from leverage trading platforms, but we're below $122,000 as of recording this update. So let's take a look at what's happening with Hbar's price. So you guys can see we're still having a little bit of a battle between the 61.8 and the 78.6. Of course, the simple way to look at it is the 61.8. So this zone right here is where the bulls want the price to be, and this is where the bears wanted the price to be, which is the 78.6 pip zone. We actually did see Hbar making its way up to 22.26 cents. You can see this for yourself. But again, due to Bitcoin, yes, due to Bitcoin and dominance picking up again, we did find ourselves back down about 5% since then. So right now what you're noticing is a lot of volatility. Again, not at a major scale, but we are seeing that happening. It could be annoying, I know, because I'm sure everyone wants the price of Hbar to climb back up to where it was back in September, especially September 18th and September 13th, where we did see that monthly high for the month of September. But right now, you want to see Bitcoin kind of going stagnant, especially the Bitcoin dominance, because dominance is all over the place. Take a look at the start of the month of October. You will see what I mean, like literally ranging sideways over the course of the last few days, which is going to impact altcoins. And now if you're noticing Hbar as well, since the start of October, you're starting to see it's replicating what the dominance is doing. So, a major correlation right now with the BTC dominance, and that's something we want to be obviously paying very, very close attention to, and we do on a single daily basis. But again, right now we do have significant amount of support built up around here for Hbar. Obviously, if we don't hold around the 21.1 cent support line, then we could push back down to our September 25th lows at 20.5 cents, just above the psychological level, which itself is still about only a 3.9% move. As of yet, we haven't seen that happen, but that is something I want you guys to be aware of if Bitcoin is not able to hold its level around here. Maybe if we do break below $120,000, 117 is the next major support line I'm expecting. In that case, I do expect dominance to go up a little bit, which is going to shake out some of the altcoins. But again, I am expecting the market turnover to be much quicker than a lot of people are realizing. That might not even happen. I'm just putting that idea out there for you guys to keep in mind, because of course, dominance is something we want to be paying very close attention along with Bitcoin, and that is going to have an impact on the broader market. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. What are your overall projections? But as of now, obviously keep watching the 21.8 cents level. We want to obviously reclaim that, and then we'll take it from there. Love you all. See you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.